Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. And on this episode, we're going to talk about the 5 ways to activate your beard growth. See, I got a question today, and one of our followers, he was like, "Yo, B, my beard growth stunted." He said it wasn't growing like it was growing years ago. So I'm going to talk about 5 ways we're going to get that activated right now. All right, so let's get into it. One way that you want to start activating growth and can be the issue is the ends. Your ends, which have been that's been around the longest. You know what I'm talking about? Since the beginning of time, the beginning of your beard growth. These ends. Well, what happened is that they get dry, they get damaged, the weathering. They're the oldest part of the hair, so it's time to trim that. And if you don't trim, it begins to break off. It begins to split, and you just have a domino effect of damage, right? So you need to trim your ends, all right? Number 2. The number 2 is do a detox. And I'm talking about detoxing the gut. Detoxing the gut. You see, there in your gut, there's your microbiome, the bacteria, right? You have this bacteria in your gut. It doesn't not only impact your cognitive abilities, but also it impacts your body's ability to absorb all the nutrients and vitamins that it needs for your beard and your hair to grow effectively. So you got to reduce the inflammation, right? You got to eat healthy foods, you know what I'm saying? But more importantly, not only that, but get you a detox, okay? Get you a beard detox. And I get the I use Dr. Inky's herbal detox, and that's going to help reduce the inflammation. And also you can get you some what else? Some probiotics. Get you some probiotics. Probiotics is going to help as well. It's going to help with you're able to your body, your gut is able to absorb the nutrients and things of that nature. So detox, fellas, we got a detox. Number 3 leads me to my number 3. Vitamins and mineral deficiency. You're probably deficient in minerals and vitamins, the raw materials that your beard and your hair needs, that it needs to in order for it to produce. You know what I'm saying? If it's like the manufacturer, Toyota, right? If they ain't got no more brake pads, if they ain't got no transmission, no engine, then ain't no car. The car gonna stop going out into the showroom floor. Ain't nobody selling nothing. It's the same thing. When your body is deficient in minerals and vitamins, you gotta understand your hair. This is a luxury. So it's gonna send those minerals and vitamins to the essential organs that your body really needs to function. All right. Number 4, environmental change, pollution, toxins, chemicals, things of that nature. Not only does it damage the beard, but also it damages the skin underneath the beard. Like when the soil is damaged, the plants, the trees are damaged, right? It goes hand in hand. So be mindful of that, all right? And that way, that's why you want to do topical beard detoxes like the bentonite clay, things of that nature, okay? Now, number 5 is these heating tools you guys use, these beard straighteners, these blow dryers, these beard picks. Fellas, it is drying and damaging your beard. Point blank, period. I'm not saying don't use them, but use them sparingly. Use them for special occasions and events. If your beard or if it already has a high propensity of breakage and also dryness, then why would you just light it on fire? Light it on fire while you know what I mean? Put some more fuel on it. It might as well just burn it all the way up. You know what I'm talking about? So be very cognizant of that. Okay? So I hope these 5 growth activating tips help you. Okay? And if you got any other questions, leave them down in the comments. All right? Make sure you like, click to subscribe, click the notification bell. Don't forget. I don't know where it is, somewhere, but don't forget. All right? This is your boy B. Thank you for coming right back on. As always, I'll see you guys on the next episode. We out.